Hi family and frenzies, welcome back to our channel. I am back today with another grocery haul, y'all. So we went out today, me and Noonie. We was out all day today, just taking care of some errands. And I decided to stop by Walmart because we needed a few more things in the house. This won't be a huge grocery haul. I just had to go and get a few things. To have like in the house like during the week, so that we have some food to eat on and some snacks and stuff like that. I wanted to get more fruit and stuff because I want to incorporate more fruit into my diet. Guys, I'm going to try my best to try the military diet. I really need to lose a few pounds. Well, my goal is to lose at least 25 pounds, y'all, because I did gain a lot of weight. And I gotta try my best to stick with this diet. It's so hard for me to diet. It's hard for me to stick to it. I'm just gonna have to try and like dedicate myself to it and just try and be strong. So I don't know. I'm gonna try my best, y'all. We'll see how it work out. I did get the ingredients that I need. So I'm going to show y'all what I got. Like I said, I got some fruit. But I know that some fruits, it's not good to eat while you're dieting because there's more sugar. I should say I'm going to have to watch my calorie intake. I know that much. But y'all, I want to lose about 25 pounds. Let's see how it go. I'm going to try my best, y'all. Like I said, I'm going to try my best. But let me show you guys what I got. I wanted to pick up some more cleaning products. I needed some more cleaning products for like my pans and stuff like that. So I picked up a couple of packs of sponges, the heavy duty kind. Oh, here we go. The heavy duty kind of sponge. I had to pick up more of these because I need to clean out my pots real good. I got this as well. And I got a box of steel wool pads, like Brillo pads. We needed some more of these. I got another container of the Downy M-Wash scent booster, the little pellets. This smells really good. The last one I got was the Ocean Breeze. Inside the it has like a light blue cap. Y'all, this smells so good, and it makes your laundry smell really good as well. And I actually started adding baking soda to my wash as well. So guys, I have a thing about good smelling laundry. I want my laundry to smell good. When I take my clothes out of the wash and out of the dryer, I want to be able to go, I just love good smelling laundry. Maybe a little weird, but I do. I love good smelling laundry. So I was watching a few TikToks and I saw that if you add baking soda to your wash, like a cap full of baking soda to your wash, it helps take out like the odors and it helps give your clothes a nice scent, along with the scent boosters and your laundry detergent. It is so true. And there's something else that I saw that we can purchase from Amazon. I forgot the name of it, but I'm going to purchase that as well. And I'm going to try and use that like when I wash my sheets and my blankets and things like that. They say that the aroma is like amazing. So I plan on getting that, soon. Maybe next go around I'll get that from Amazon and try that out. But anyway, back to the haul. Okay, so like I said, I got the scent boosters. This is the white lavender. And this is a nice, fresh, calming scent. And it smells really good. I got the baking soda here, okay? And I got some Clorox disinfectant spray. We need to clean our bathrooms out really good. I like the Clorox spray, and I decided to just get the one that is scented. I never tried this before. I usually get the original Clorox. So hopefully, it has a nice, fresh scent. And I got some refill Dawn Power Wash. This is really good on your dishes and your pots. I also got the Quantum dishwasher little pellets, no, tabs. Okay. I got a 6-pack of paper towels, and I got some more Ziploc bags. Like when we're in the house or if we're going out, if I have like some fruit or something, like some grapes or something like that, I like to put it into the little Ziploc bag and just put it into my purse. This way, I can easily carry it on the go. We got some Clorox disinfectant wipes here. All right, over here to the food, we have some bread. I have some honey wheat bread. We have white bread. We have one package of Thomas's plain bagels, and we have one package of Thomas's cinnamon raisin bagels, and we have a package of the cinnamon swirl raisin bread. Okay. We have to get a gallon of milk. I got some vanilla ice cream right here. This is going to be part of the military diet. We can have ice cream for dessert at the end of our dinner. So I usually don't buy vanilla ice cream. I'm more of a flavored type of ice cream person, like cookies and cream, strawberry, cherry, vanilla, things like that. So, but Noonan, she loves vanilla ice cream. That's pretty much the only ice cream that she really like a lot, along with the cookies and cream. So, yeah, I got this homemade vanilla ice cream, so I can have one scoop as part of my dessert after dinner while on the military diet. I got a box of Cheez-Its. I got some saltine crackers, which is also part of the military diet. Of course, I go to, the girls love the White Castles, and we got some Totino's party pizzas back there that they can eat when they're home during the day. Just pop one in the oven. I got them a package of the classic chippers. We love chocolate chip cookies, and see me. I usually buy the Chips Ahoy chocolate chippers, but the last time we went to the store, I saw a lot of people getting this, and I was like, let me try this. I was kind of skeptical because I don't really buy the store brand cookies from Walmart, so I decided to give it a try. But these are really good. They are just as good as Chips Ahoy. If you like chocolate chip cookies, when you go to Walmart, just try these. They are really good. And this is the family size, and it was only like $2. It was under $3. I know that, under $3. And Sean and I, we like the Biscoff's what do you call this? Shortbread. They're like shortbread cookies. I wouldn't even call it. It's like a shortbread cookie, like a tea biscuit. That's what it's like. Those are really good. I tasted those for the first time on United Airlines. They gave us that in a little package for a snack. It was so good. Been hooked ever since. And over here, guys, had to get a watermelon. I've been thinking about a watermelon for the past 2 weeks. So we're going to slice this baby up today, and I'm probably going to have some later on tonight. Now, how do you eat your watermelon? I like to eat mine with a little bit of salt on top. I can't have a watermelon without salt. So I'm hoping that it's sweet. Okay, so over here, we got a couple of packs of meat. I have a pack of steak right here. We're going to throw these steaks on the grill tomorrow. Sean's going to throw some food on the grill. So Sean and I are going to have some steak tomorrow. And we got 2 packs of ribs. We go in on our ribs, y'all. And then I have a pack of the chicken party wings that we normally get. These are kind of big, y'all. Look, I don't usually like the real big ones, but I don't know if you can see, like this. Hold up. Like these wings, I don't know if you can see. Let me see. See, look. This is a drum right here. This is look how big that is, that drum. But, I mean, it's okay. I mean, it's chicken, but I like the smaller ones most times. But they didn't have the smaller ones, so I had to get the big pack. We got some Cocoa Krispies back there. I have a container of orange juice. We got some Minute Maid juices back here. Strawberry lemonade, tropical punch, peach punch, and watermelon. And we also have some Hillshire Farm honey ham. We have some Cracker Barrel cheese. This is also part of the military diet. I think this is going to go along with my lunch. I could have this with like some saltine crackers, I believe it is. But I think I'm going to actually do a video of all my meals that I'm going to have during the military diet. And I'll show you guys how I'm eating. I'm going to try my best to stick to that. Okay. And this right here is a package of cheese for sandwiches. Of course, while I'm on a military diet, I can't have any bread, but this is for the family. I got a package of pepperoni and also a package of Checkers fries. Checkers fries are so good, y'all. I also have a pack of the Bigelow Earl Grey tea. Hold on 1 second, y'all. My light just timed out. Hold on. Okay, I had to turn the light back on. But anyway, we got a package of smoked sausage here. I'm gonna use this to do like a jambalaya. I'm gonna just slice this up, fry it up, and put it into some jambalaya rice, and that's gonna be a whole meal. And another thing that's part of the military diet, let me get this, is the hot dog. So I got a pack of the ballpark hot dogs. I like Sabrett hot dogs, but I didn't see any in the store. But I got these. These is okay as well. It's all right. So got these hot dogs for the military diet, and a pack of our go-to smoked sausage back here, the Roger Wood. Okay, over here, y'all, is the last of our groceries. I had to get a bag of sugar because we was running low on sugar. I got this, some oyster flavored sauce, and I also got some sesame oil because I'm gonna be making shrimp fried rice one day this week, and I got some mixed vegetables to go along with our shrimp fried rice. So I saw a recipe on YouTube that I want to try, so I'm kind of excited about that. It's going to be my first time making shrimp fried rice. I know one thing that I'm going to have to do is pretty much I'm going to make my rice the day before, because they say it's best if you use like day old rice, like leftover rice. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to make a pot of rice the night before I make the shrimp fried rice recipe. And back here I got some California style vegetable mix. I'm pretty much the only one, me and Lily are pretty much the only ones who eat this type of vegetable mix. So since I'm trying to eat a little better, I got 2 of these. I want to be able to just steam these, and I may just have like a bowl of veggies one night when I want to like once I'm done with the military diet. I'm probably just gonna have like a bowl of vegetables one night and eliminate like the meat and all the extra stuff, and I'm gonna see how that work out for me. I'm gonna try it for a couple of weeks. They say with the military diet you're supposed to start losing a few pounds I think on the 3rd day or something like that, but everyone's different, so I gotta see how it work out for me. So I'm kind of excited. But anyway, I have a pack of the 3 pepper and onion blend. I love peppers and onions in most of my meals, most of my dishes. I gotta have peppers and onions in the house. Okay, and then I got a bag of mandarin oranges. I can't eat these while I'm on the military diet. They said stay away from the oranges, but I got a bag of that for the family. And also we picked up some chunk white tuna. I got 4 of these. This is also part of the military diet. I got a couple of cans of sardines. Not everyone likes sardines, but I do. Sardines, if you like sardines, I love eating sardines in my grits. It's so good. Some sardines, butter, salt, and pepper, and hey, it's a meal. But anyway, a lot of people like eating this with crackers as well. So I never tried the Great Value brand sardines. I used to like the Port Clyde, but I can't find Port Clyde sardines anywhere anymore. They must have stopped making them, because even when I was back in Jersey, I couldn't even find it up there. It's like they just stopped making them. But I want to try these, because I had the last brand I got, I think it was something like Barcliff or something like that. I didn't care for those. So this is my first time trying this, so hopefully it's good. And I always get the sardines in the oil. All right, so I got 2 of those. Okay, I got a bag of corn on the cob here. We'll have this tomorrow with our barbecue. And also back here, I got a bag of Fuji apples. This is going to be part of the military diet as well. I got some honey mangoes. I've never tried honey mangoes. I heard they're supposed to be sweet, so I love mango. So hopefully, it's good. I'm kind of excited to try that. So I'm not going to try it right away. First week military diet, and then next week maybe I'll try one of these mangoes. I got 2 grapefruits. I don't like grapefruit at all, but I'm going to tolerate it. It's not like I just won't eat it. I just don't care for it. I don't like the tartness of grapefruit, but I'm sacrificing. I'm going to do what I have to do to get through this diet, okay? That's part of the military diet. The bananas is also part of the military diet. They weren't very yellow, so I got to let these sit out for a while. They're not very ripe right now, but yeah, I got a bunch of bananas. Also, I got a bag of black grapes, and I got a bag of black cherries. And back here, I have a bag of lemons. So what I'm going to do with the lemons is I'm going to slice lemons up and put it in my water. I'm so bad with water, y'all. I think I told y'all before, I'm so bad. Like, I have to force myself to drink water, and that is just not good. It's not good, y'all. I have to force myself to drink water, but I'm gonna do everything I can, you know, sacrifice and, you know, just take my health more seriously, and just dedicate myself to doing what I have to do to make sure I reach my goal. Okay. But yeah, y'all, so that will conclude my short grocery haul for the day. Thank you so much for joining me and watching this video, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.